Welcome to the library's video tutorials for the equipment available from the studio at the Spokane Valley Library. Today's video is about the Sony PXW-Z100 4K digital video camera. I'm going to show you how to access the video functions. On the left side of the video camera are several functions. To manually change any of these functions, the switch beside the shutter speed button must be on manual. The iris button is used to control the amount of light entering the lens. By adjusting the iris, you can change or close the aperture of the lens. The iris is expressed as an f value between f2.6 and f11. The amount of light increases the more you open the aperture, represented by a decreasing f value. To auto-adjust the iris, switch to the Auto setting and press the Iris button. To manually adjust the iris, use the dial at the base of the camera lens. The gain is a setting that controls the amplification of the signal from the camera sensor. In most instances, the setting is adjusted to L for low. To automatically adjust the gain, switch to Auto and then press the gain button. AGC should be displayed on the screen next to the gain value. To adjust the shutter speed, press the shutter speed button and then turn the Select Set dial to the desired value. You can adjust the shutter speed in a range of 1/4 seconds through 1/9000th second. The larger the denominator value on the screen, the faster the shutter speed. The value should appear as a fraction on the display. To automatically set the shutter speed, press the button twice or switch to Auto and then press the shutter speed button. To adjust the amount of light, switch on the ND filter if the recording environment is too bright. If the switch is on 1, the amount of light is reduced by 1/4, 2 by 1/16, and 3 by 1/64. While the iris is automatically adjusted, the video level warning is not displayed even if the amount of light should be adjusted with the ND filter switch. Adjusting the white balance allows you to fix the white balance based on the lighting conditions of the recording setting. White balance is used to adjust the lighting in the recording to be warmer or colder. For adjusted color temperatures, 3500 Kelvin is close to household lighting and 5200 Kelvin is similar to sunlight. Below the white balance is a switch with A, B, and preset that can be connected to a memory switch to create individual color temperature presets. When a preset is selected, indoor, outdoor, or color temperature is set according to what was previously selected in the white of the paint menu. The zebra button shows a black and white striped pattern on any area of the image that is within a set band of exposure. When pressed, the zebra button shows a striped pattern over areas that are overexposed. On the other hand, the peaking button reveals what areas in the shot are in focus by displaying those in blue. The focus magnifier, when activated, helps zoom in and focus on an area so that as you zoom out, the shot remains in focus. Buttons 1, 2, 3, and 6 can have functions assigned to them depending on preference, but default as an off button. To alter the default value of a specific function, you can go into the Camera, Paint, Audio, Video, and LCD viewfinder menus to modify. The camera menu allows you to change the gain, auto exposure, focus, color bars, flicker reduce, steady shot, handle zoom, and speed zoom. The paint menu allows you to change settings for white, offset white, black, gamma, knee, detail, skin detail, and matrix. The audio input, audio output can be changed in the audio menu. Similarly, the output on-off output format and the output display can be altered in the video menu. The LCD viewfinder menu alterable functions include LCD setting, viewfinder setting, peaking, marker, and zebra. The recording menu contains the detail for the slow and quick motion, allowing you to set the frame rate. The dials near the lens of the camera can be used to manually adjust the focus, zoom, and iris. Thank you for watching. You'll find additional tutorials for equipment available at the studio on our YouTube channel, including more about the Sony PXW-Z100.